Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Minecraft cosmetics. Start by sketching a clear concept and pick the type of cosmetic you want to create, such as a cape, hat, or particle effect. Gather an image editor and set up a resource pack folder in your game files. Work iteratively, testing changes in a local world and saving backups so you can revert when something looks off. Pick tools that fit your comfort level and the cosmetic type you want to build. For 2D textures, use a pixel editor with layers and transparency, and for 3D items, use a model editor that handles pivot points. Keep a palette of readable colors and test under varied lighting. Save iterative versions, label them clearly, and keep backups so you always have a working copy to return to. Implement your cosmetic by adding files to the correct resource pack structure and updating pack metadata. Load the pack in Minecraft and test in a creative world to confirm alignment, scale, and animation timing if applicable. Tweak textures and models based on in-game results, then document installation and any compatibility notes. Finally, export a clean version for sharing and include a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.